Hi students, welcome back to Chemistry Punitha channel. Today see physical chemistry, solid state, imperfection in solids. See the imperfection in solids. Solids have some defects in the arrangement of the constituent particles. These defects affects the physical and chemical properties of the solid. These defects affects the physical and chemical properties of the solid. For example, a process called doping leads to a crystal imperfection and it increases the electrical conductivity of a semiconductor material such as silicon, etc. The ability of ferromagnetic material such as iron, nickel, etc. to be magnetized and demagnetized depends on the presence of imperfection. Crystal defects are classified as follows: point defects, line defects, interfacial defects and volume defects. See the point defects. Point defects are classified three types. One is stoichiometric defect, another one is non-stoichiometric defect, third one is impurity defect. Stoichiometric defects are two. One is Schottky, another one is Frenkel. Non-stoichiometric defects are two. One is metal excess effect, another one is metal deficiency defect. First see the stoichiometric defects. What is stoichiometric defects? This defect is also called intrinsic or thermodynamic defect. In stoichiometric ionic crystals, a vacancy of one ion must always be associated with either by the absence of another oppositely charged ion, either by the absence of another oppositely charged ion or the presence of same charged ion in the interstitial position. Same charged ion in the interstitial position as to maintain the electrical neutrality. Two types of Schottky defects are there. One is Schottky, another one is Frenkel. First one is Schottky defect. Schottky defect arises due to missing of equal number of cations and anions from the crystal lattice. Equal number of cations and anions missing from the crystal lattice. Hence, the stoichiometry of the crystal is not changed. Ionic solids in which cation and anion are of almost of similar size show Schottky defect. Example, NaCl. See the image. One cation and one anion is missing. Presence of large number of Schottky defects in a crystal lowers its density. This is called the Schottky defect. Example, NaCl. Missing of cation and anion. Next one is Frenkel defect. See the image. AgBr is example. Ag plus and Br minus. AgBr. Ag is smaller size. Br is larger size. Frenkel defect arises due to the dislocation of ions from its crystal lattice. Dislocation of ions from its crystal lattice. Second point, the ions which is missing, the ion which is missing from the lattice point and occupies an interstitial portion. Missing from the lattice point and occupies in the interstitial position. This defect occurs when cation and anion differ in size. This defect occurs when cation and anion differ in size. Unlike Schottky defect and Frenkel defect does not affect the density of the crystal. Frenkel defect example is AgBr. Next one is non-stoichiometric defect. First, metal excess defect. Metal excess defect arises due to the presence of more number of metal ions than the anions. Example, NaCl and KCl. The electrical neutrality of the crystal is maintained by the presence of anionic vacancies equal to the excess metal ions or by the presence of extra cations and electron present in interstitial position. See the image. One anionic vacancy is there. The anionic vacancy which are occupied by unpaired electrons. The anionic vacancies which are occupied by unpaired electrons are called F centers. This is metal excess effect. Next one is metal deficiency defect. Metal deficiency defect arises due to the presence of less number of cations than the anions. This defect is observed in a crystal in which the cations have variable oxidation state. For example, in FeO crystal, some of the Fe2 plus ions are missing from the crystal lattice. To maintain the electrical neutrality, twice the number of other Fe2 plus oxidized to Fe3 plus. Some of the Fe2 plus are missing. Some other Fe2 plus is oxidized to Fe3 plus ions. In such cases, overall number Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus ions is less than oxygen 2 minus ions. See the image. Green atom is oxygen, then pink and orange atom is Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus ions. So the anion is larger than the cation. So less number of cations than the anions. Next, the defect is impurity defect. Due to the presence of impurity ions in ionic crystals causes vacancies in the crystal lattice of the host. For example, addition of cadmium chloride to silver chloride yields a solid solution for the divalent cation. Cadmium 2 plus occupies the position of Ag plus. Cadmium occupies the position of Ag plus. This disturbs the electrical neutrality of the crystal. In order to maintain the same proportional number of Ag plus ions leaves the lattice. This produces a cation vacancy in the lattice. Such kind of crystal defect are called impurity defects. Next, see piezoelectric effect. Piezoelectricity, also called piezoelectric effect, is the appearance of an electrical potential across the sides of crystal when you subject it to be mechanical stress. The word piezoelectricity means electricity resulting from pressure and latent heat. Even the inverse is possible, which is known as inverse piezoelectric effect. Energy harvesting by piezoelectric crystals. If you can make a little amount of electricity by pressing one piezoelectric crystal once, could you make a significant amount by pressing many crystals over and over again? What if we bury piezoelectric crystals under streets to capture energy as vehicles pass by? You can produce electricity that is enough to charge your mobile phones by just walking. Power generating footwears that has a slip-on insole with piezoelectric crystals. Footwears insole with the piezoelectric crystals that can produce enough electricity to charge batteries and USB devices. This is energy harvesting by piezoelectric crystals. Thank you students. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and share to others.